These are the fraction types, right? Types of the fractions. There are 4 types we can mainly identify, right? Unit fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed numbers. Unit fractions mean if a fraction numerator is 1, then we call them unit fractions. The examples you can see 1 over 8, 1 over 7, 1 over 5, 1 over 13, right? Like that, lot of examples we can discuss, no, for unit fractions. Then the second type I discuss with you, proper fractions. Proper fractions mean which type of fractions? If the numerator is less than to its denominator, they are known as proper fractions, right? Numerator is less than to its denominator, they are known as proper fractions. 13 over 25, 5 over 9, 9 over 13, 2 over 3, right? Like that, fractions. Then the third type is improper fractions. Improper fractions mean its numerator is greater than to its denominator, right? If a fraction numerator is greater than to its denominator, they are known as improper fractions. Then you can see the examples: 13 over 7, 9 over 2, 15 over 7, 7 over 5, right? Like that, fractions are known as improper fractions. Then the fourth type, look at mixed numbers. Mixed numbers mean it is another type of fractions, right? When you write the mixed numbers, you have to use a whole number and fractional part. Then this whole number and fractional part we have to write like this together, right? You have to write together. Then like these fractions are known as mixed numbers, right? Then the examples I wrote here: 2, 3 over 4, 5, 9 over 11, 3, 7 over 8, right? Like that, fractions are known as mixed numbers, right? Are you clear? Can you understand? Can you understand well? Right.